Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by selecting the microphone you'll use. Do that in your system settings now so levels are stable. Once done, open PowerPoint and go straight to the slideshow ribbon. This is where recording lives. Click Record Slideshow and choose whether to start from beginning or current slide, then allow the app to access your mic. Speak naturally and watch the timer. It records audio per slide. Pause between slides so later trimming is cleaner and transitions remain smooth. Now, record slide by slide to keep control and reduce retakes. Press pause when you need a break, then resume to continue. Monitor the waveform and listen to the short playback after each slide to verify clarity and volume. Make adjustments in your input device settings if needed. If a slide needs improvement, re-record just that slide using the same record slide, show control. PowerPoint replaces only that slide's audio. This lets you fix one section without redoing. Finish by saving the presentation. PowerPoint embeds your audio into the PPTX so nothing is lost. If you need a shareable video, export as MP4 from File Export and choose Quality Settings. Make sure to play the full presentation once to confirm timing and transitions. If audio is missing, check microphone permissions, verify the slide audio icon is present, and reopen PowerPoint. Often restarting the app or reselecting the input device fixes it. Re-export after confirming audio.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.